In this video, I am going to reveal to you what I like to refer to as the ultimate completely hide affiliate links via PHP kit. This is an amazing, perfect way to hide your affiliate links completely from Google, other search engines, and your website visitors. It will be impossible for anybody to know it's an affiliate link. You want to come to this web page that's showing on your screen now, and again, this affiliate link hiding toolkit is 100% free. There's two parts to it. The first part is the part that creates the link. That is the link that's going to be 100% invisible as being an affiliate link. And then the second part is code that actually navigates the user to your affiliate link in a hidden manner. What you do to create the first part is you just fill out these text boxes. Let's pretend you're an affiliate on Amazon and you're selling Docker slippers. So you create your sentence: to purchase Docker, to purchase, let's say we put to purchase, and then the item that is going to be affiliate linked, you type here, so to purchase Docker's slippers, and then here you want to put the link that you want your website visitor to think they're going to. So, and if you're an affiliate for Amazon, you probably just want to put a direct link to Amazon so they don't think it's an affiliate link. Then the rest of the sentence goes here. So to purchase Docker slippers. Again, I'm making a very simplistic sentence just for example. Then you click this button, Create Sentence with Affiliate Link Form Embedded Within. Click it. It's going to create code. And all you do, now I know most people these days, they use WordPress, and there's not a problem using this with WordPress. I know when you create a blog post, you can use either the what you see is what you get editor or the code editor. You wanted to go to the code editor. Just paste that sentence wherever you want it to be. That's going to include the affiliate link. And then the second part is going to be the code that actually redirects. And all you do here is put your affiliate link. Again, I'm not an affiliate for Amazon, so I'm just going to pretend this is an affiliate link and create the redirect grip. And then you take this code and you also put it into the WordPress editor, but you want to put it to the very top of the code, as you know, all the way as close to the top as you possibly can of your WordPress code editor. Now, I'm not 100% sure if in WordPress to insert PHP code you have to install a special plugin or not. I am not that familiar with WordPress that I could tell you, but I do know that it can be done. Again, you got two parts to the code. You got the actual sentence with the link. Put that wherever you want it to appear within your blog post. You got the PHP code that redirects to the affiliate link. And to show you an example of how it works, that link right there. See, if you look in the status bar, nothing pops up to show where the link really goes. It's that little pop-up text that says Amazon.com. You click it. The PHP code is going to go into effect, and there you are. We're at Amazon. We're not at Docker Slippers, because remember, we just put a bogus Amazon fake affiliate link. But this works, and the great thing about it is that little pause that you saw there when the link was clicked. What's happening is the PHP code is actually performing what's called cookie dropping. It's putting a cookie on the person's computer. So even if they don't buy that item right away, that cookie's still going to be on their computer. Again, that little pause you got right there, and then it redirects to the affiliate link. If you're an affiliate marketer and you want to totally hide your affiliate links, I tell you, you really want to check this tool out. It is an amazing tool that perfectly, SEO compliantly hides your affiliate links.